Welcome to our Go programming tutorial series. In this short video, we'll be exploring integers in Go. Let's dive right in. In Go, integers are a fundamental data type used to represent whole numbers. They are commonly used in a variety of scenarios, from counting to calculations. Here, we declare a variable named age and assign it the value 25. In Go, when we don't specify a size for an integer, it defaults to int, which is platform dependent. We can also specify the size of an integer explicitly, like int 8, int 16, int 32, or int 64, depending on the required range and memory constraints. Go also provides unsigned integer types, such as uint and uint8, for representing non-negative numbers. Remember, when performing arithmetic operations on integers, be cautious of potential overflow or underflow. That's a brief introduction to integers in Go. They allow us to work with whole numbers efficiently. Stay tuned for more exciting Go programming tutorials in our series. Happy coding!